In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Fivem failed to load DLL from the list error code 126. To do that, first you need to go to the search bar, then search for command prompt and run it as administrator. In the command, type this and hit enter. This process will replace any missing .dll files. After the process, type again in the command exit and hit enter. Close the window, then restart your PC, and the error should now be fixed. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.